Welcome to TimeSlice, where we cut through time one day at a time. Today is August 27th, and from airborne hydrogen bombs to Barack Obama's historic nomination, this day soars across science, war, space, and civil rights. Let's launch into history. On this day in 1783, the very first unmanned hydrogen balloon took to the skies in France, reaching a stunning 900 meters high. It marked the beginning of modern aeronautics and paved the way for human flight just months later. That's one small lift for balloon, one giant leap for balloon kind. Can you imagine seeing that balloon float up in 1783? Would you cheer or panic? During peace talks between Brazil and Argentina, Uruguay's independence was officially recognized, a conflict that shaped South America's modern map. Swedish-American engineer Gideon Sundback patented the multi-purpose zipper while working in Hoboken, New Jersey. Simple yet revolutionary, this invention zipped its way into fashion, luggage, tents, and even spacesuits. Have you ever worn pants before? Well, thanks Sundback. What's the most ridiculous thing you've seen a zipper on? Let us know in the comments. Romania declared war on Austria-Hungary, aiming to reclaim Transylvania and unify its people. The battles ahead were long and bloody, but history was shifting. Weeks after Japan surrendered, U.S. troops began landing on Japanese soil, beginning the Allied occupation. This was more than logistics. It was the start of rebuilding a nation. The BBC made broadcasting history with the first cross-border television transmission from Europe. This moment helped to turn screens into global windows. Remember that first big international event that you saw on TV? The world's tallest man, the fastest sprinter, and the most hot dogs ever eaten? Well, in 1955, the Guinness Book of World Records hit the shelves. And trivia lovers rejoiced. Still a classic in every bar, school, and quiz night. The Soviets launched Sputnik 3, carrying scientific gear and 2 dogs into orbit. These canine pioneers helped prepare humanity for the cosmos. NASA launched Mariner 2, the first spacecraft to fly by another planet. It gave us humanity's very first close-up look at Venus. From Earth to Venus, talk about neighborly curiosity. General Ibrahim Babangida overthrew Muhammadu Buhari in a bloodless military coup. This reshaped Nigeria's political path during a turbulent era in West Africa. History was made when Barack Obama was nominated as the first black U.S. presidential candidate from a major party, a milestone built on decades of civil rights struggles and hope. Where were you when Obama gave that 2008 speech? Birthdays on August 27th, 1906. Ed Gein, the infamous American killer whose crimes inspired horror classics like Psycho and Silence of the Lambs. 1908. Lyndon B. Johnson, 36th U.S. President, Medicare creator, civil rights champion, and the man behind the Voting Rights Act. Died on August 27th, 1963. W.E.B. Du Bois, sociologist, philosopher, and NAACP co-founder who spent his final years in Ghana. 1975. Haile Selassie, Emperor of Ethiopia, beloved across Africa and revered in Rastafarian culture. Wedding bells in 2005. Robert Downey Jr. and Susan Levin. The star in the Iron Man series married the producer who helped him rise again. Hollywood power couple unlocked. From balloons and zippers to Venus flybys and political firsts, August 27th proves that change, discovery, and legacy can all happen in just one day. Which story stood out the most to you today? Drop it in the comments. We make sure to read them all. Like, subscribe, and join us again tomorrow. Until then, keep on exploring, right here with us at TimeSlice.